We'll show and prove ether to you and dissolve your presuppositions and subjective notions of etheric energy and reality itself. I propose that rather than conceptualizing the ether as a kind of fluid substrate, which physical phenomena swim inside of, it is more accurate to conceptualize the ether as radiating outward indefinitely from each and every entity within the cosmos as a kind of aura through which all things envelop all other things, thereby conditioning the interactions between them. In terms of physical geometric space, this is an accurate description, but we must also keep in mind that even this is in some sense an abstraction, as the conceptual feelings, or noata, which comprise these morphogenetic fields, are fundamentally pre-geometric. They are that which conditions the very possibility of geometric space. In other words, the specific potentialities which are felt by these etheric fields are local, in the sense that each possibility specifies a possible interaction within geometric space. However, the noetic or conceptual experiences themselves are better understood as being projected into geometric space from the implicate morphogenetic space which underlies it. Even more accurately, we could say that geometric space itself is in fact the result of this noetic projection. This understanding leads to the conclusion that the geometric explicate order is the holographic consequence of the implicate noetic order. Atoms emit light when their electrostatic shells that are expanded into higher harmonic energy states. Such higher energy states are less stable, and therefore the electrostatic shell will contract itself into a more stable state. If it can, as it does so, it will produce an electromagnetic propagation, which will then facilitate a transmission of energy unto another atom. The excitation energy or instability of the transmitter atom will be translated into either kinetic, vibratory energy within the receptor atom, or the excitation of the receptor atom's own electrostatic shell through our noetic model of the atom. We can thus infer that this electrostatic excitation must be the expansion of the outermost dipole spheres of the atomic core, such that its valence core layer adopts a lower frequency state, one which is characterized by less harmonic stability and thus greater potential energy. The atom then attempts to resolve this instability by transforming it through communion with other atoms. Through photonic transmissions, this instability can come to be dispersed in such a manner that an overall equilibrium is achieved. What this then implies is that heavier atoms must consist of numerous dipolar coral layers, which are nested within one another, component placement, so as to form complexes of numerous harmonic energy states. As we move outward from the innermost core layer of any elemental atom, we find more nested aggregated harmonic density layers surrounding and compounding, and then recombining to form multi-elemental molecules, substances, and all of matter and energy. Well, I hope this gets you thinking. My name is Michael Gray. God bless you. I sincerely thank for listening to this True Physics lecture. I will continue this lecture in the next video, and will keep you posted. I'll have many other lectures in vast subjects, so please discover and enjoy. Thank you. Keep studying. Take care. Keep your eyes open and see the patterns around you.